Welcome students. This is the fifth part of second chapter, that is energy resources. It is for 16 marks. Course outcome is select alternative energy resources for engineering practice. Learning outcomes or unit outcome is energy forms, conventional and non-conventional. Fourth type of energy is tidal energy. Tidal energy, it is the energy derived from rise and fall of sea tide, and it is converted into electricity at seashore. See the diagram. Tides are the waves caused due to the gravitational pull of moon and also sun. The rise is called high tide and fall is called as low tide. The energy derived from the rise and fall of sea tide, it is converted into electricity. Now, what are the advantages of tidal energy? It is an inexhaustible source of energy. Tidal energy is environment friendly energy and does not produce greenhouse gases. We can predict the rise and fall of tides as they follow cyclic fashion. Efficiency of tidal power is far greater as compared to coal, solar or wind energy. Now, what are the advantages of tidal energy? Although cost of construction of tidal power is high, but maintenance costs are relatively low. Tidal energy does not require any kind of fuel to run. The life of tidal energy power plant is very long. The energy density of tidal energy is relatively higher than other renewable energy sources. Now see what are the disadvantages of tidal energy. Cost of construction of tidal power is high. There are very few ideal locations for construction of plant intensity of sea waves, and it is unpredictable, and there can be damage to power generation units. Influences aquatic life adversely and can disrupt migration of fish. This is main disadvantage of tidal energy. Other disadvantages are the actual generation is for short period of time. Frozen sea, low or weak tides, straight short lines, low tidal rise or fall are some other obstructions. This technology is still not cost effective and needs more technological advancement. Its transmission is expensive and difficult. Now see what are the uses of tidal energy. It is used to rotate turbines and generate electricity. Energy storage. Tidal energy can also be used as a store of energy. Although it is not widely used, tidal energy has the potential for future electricity generation because tides are more predictable than the wind and sun. Next type of energy is geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is thermal energy generated and stored in the earth. This is the heat of the interior of earth present at volcanic regions, geysers or hot springs. Geothermal energy is the energy obtained from earth, that is geo. Geothermal energy is one of the rare form of energy. Now see what are the advantages of geothermal energy. It is renewable source of energy. By far, it is non-polluting and environment friendly energy. There is no wastage or generation of byproducts. Next advantage is geothermal energy can be used directly. In ancient times, people used this source of energy for heating homes, cooking, etc. Maintenance cost of geothermal power plant is very less. Geothermal power plants don't occupy too much space and thus help in protecting natural environment. Unlike solar energy, it is not dependent on the weather conditions. Disadvantages of geothermal energy. Only few sites have the potential of geothermal energy. Most of the sites where geothermal energy is produced are far from markets or cities where it needs to be consumed. Total generation potential of this source is too small. There is always a danger of eruption of volcano. Installation cost of steam power plant is very high. There is no guarantee that the amount of energy which is produced will justify the capital expenditure and operations cost. It may release some harmful poisonous gases. Now, what are the uses of geothermal energy? It is utilized to generate electricity. It is used for heating buildings, raising plants in greenhouses, drying crops, heating water at fish farms, and several industrial processes such as pasteurizing of milk. Thank you.